That scared me. Oh, there you go.
Brown hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a gray sweater, blue shirt, black sweatpants, and white shoes. The suspect is driving a black sedan with unknown license plate number. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the San Antonio Police Department at 210-207-7660. News media point of contact is San Antonio Police Department 210-207-7579.
This is Oreo. Tomorrow he's gonna be 3 months old. 3 months old, Oreo. Tomorrow. So I may post this clip tomorrow on his page. Look how big he's gotten. Look how big he's gotten. Yeah. What's this cat's obsession with the garage, but he's definitely not allowed to go in there. Yeah, I hear you. No, you're not allowed in there. There's a hole where you can escape from. No. Yeah, no garage. No garage for Oreo. No, no, no. I don't know why you want to go in there. No. No, I hear you whining. And I know you don't. I know you want to go in there. No. I don't know what your fascination is with the garage, little boy. Little kitty. Look at my neck, y'all. This is from Oreo. He does this like sucking thing. So don't worry about my neck, y'all. This is from my cat sucking. No allergic reaction whatsoever. But anyway, so I'm gonna be having some of this for lunch. It's SpaghettiOs, spicy original Frank's Red Hot. This stuff is good. So we're making some lunch right now. All my stuff is in the dryer, so which is nice. So we got everything in the dryer drying. Here, I'm gonna get a knife, and then we need a fork, obviously. You can eat it, but I need the knife to open it. Oreo. So this helps me open things. So I basically eat the whole container. Cause this stuff is like, oh my god, this stuff is good, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to get all the sauce on me. There we go. Snapped it off. And now I just need to pour it into this bowl. Because I microwave this, y'all. I know like you can make it on the stove, but this is what I do with SpaghettiOs. Or you can even eat it like straight up out of the can too. Like, it's pretty much we sit ready to eat. I would advise microwaving it. If you're like in an emergency situation, then you could probably eat it out of the can. Like this. Like that. As much as I can. It's spicy, but it's like, it's not like spicy. So now I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Put it in for about a minute. Just putting a little cap on it. I'll do 2 minutes, doesn't matter. I'm gonna put this back because everything gets ready. I just need to open it. So, let me show you guys now. It's microwave right now. I put it in for like 2 minutes, but oh well. Okay, so this is what I grabbed to drink. This is Monster Energy Ultra Strawberry Dreams, which is good. I love this stuff. For those of you that are wondering, this is the color of the energy drink. It's like this like little pink color. So like strawberry. Here's Oreo. Okay, so here's my SpaghettiOs. This is spicy SpaghettiOs. Here's our weather currently. It's Monday. Neighbor's dogs. It is so windy. I just want to show you guys. Here before I go put my laundry away. It's like, oh my gosh. add even more to the vlog?
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Caldwell County, eastern Guadalupe County, south central Bastrop County, northern Gonzales County until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:42
And I just got done cleaning, y'all, and I was putting or organizing the baby's things.
Moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Oh my gosh.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seguin, Gonzales, Lewing, Wilder, Kingsbury, Staples, Fentress, Palmetto State Park, Geronimo, Brownsboro, Delhi, Leesville, Joliet, Oak Forest, Belmont, McNeil, Cost, Dilworth, Thompsonville, and Artine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, here's the leaf I found outside. But look at the color of it. Look at the color of this leaf. Isn't that pretty? Oh, Will's cleaning himself. Look, he's being good. We lost power.